Why does it zoom in? Let's try that. Alright, hey boys and girls. As the great ABE would say. So, the company I work for actually has this kind of awesome thing called a meaningful day, which is basically an extra day off. You're supposed to kind of go do something with, but you can use it for just a day off. But what I'm using mine for today is to rip my quad. It's a little windy at the moment. Hopefully it'll die back down again. So I don't know if I properly introduced this thing yet, if I've actually managed to put any of those videos together yet, because I'm busy and I start a video and then I forget about it and stuff. So this is what I'm flying right now. I think I put a description in the last video, and I kind of sort of showed it. But this is it. I might do one or two more flights on these props because these things are beat. I like these Cyclones so much. These are the Dow props. The T40, 5046Cs, the Cyclones. Those things rip. DYS. Let's see if we can get that right in the camera. Of course it's reversed. DYS. Samguk series. Shoo. These are the 2306. Yeah, 2306, 2800 kV. Probably don't need that high kV. But all I know is there's a battery done charging, and these things rip. These are, since we're talking about that, these are the batteries that I'm running right now. These are the Venom 4S. This one's a graphene. I don't think my other one is, but this one's 90C. And this is a Thrust 4S 35C, I guess. But these ones definitely don't have the juice of these ones. But for a cheap battery, these things were like 15 bucks. These things rip pretty good. So if you had like a lower kV motor or something like that too, they'd probably work a little better. Anyway, guts. Well, we'll talk about the frame because that's what everyone's going, what the hell? It's polycarbonate plastic. It Lexan or bulletproof glass, as you might refer to it. Those are various different names. I think it's 1/4 inch, so it's roughly 4 mil, I think. I think. Anyway, SP Racing F3 from Banggood, Spectrum PDB, Racer Star 20 amp 4-in-1 ESC, which is probably a little less than I should be running, honestly, but that's okay. Eachine VTX03, VTX, of course. Thing is cheap as hell, but it works pretty decently. Even with this crappy homemade antenna, which is actually not that crappy. Anyway, Eachine FPV camera works okay. I have a little Piggy V2 OSD in there, which is cool. When you connect it to the board, it shows the Betaflight OSD. Otherwise, it has the built-in, what is it, like NM OSD or whatever it is. Anyway, Um, Spectrum telemetry receiver. I currently have a DX6E. I don't know, people hate on Spectrum, but so far I have not had any problems, although I haven't been doing any kind of crazy long range. But where I fly here most of the time, I fly from the bottom of a small hill, and I fly out and around, and I've only fail-safed when I've had jacked up antennas. or actually even worse, when I was flying without one antenna, which is probably bad for the receiver. But yeah, so there it is. And even then, it would only happen like twice. And there was trees and crap in the way. So anyway, I think that's everything on there. It's a fun little quad. I'm super new to the whole FPV thing. Semi-new to quads. I've been flying quads for a little while, but I haven't been able to fly them a lot until recently. So there it is. I'm going to try and just smash together some footage here, and hope you guys enjoy.
My fear has done wonders for me. For years I was scared, always insecure. That fucking thing chiseled into my fucking mind. Not feeling good enough like everybody else. And it sits inside my fucking soul. So for me, everything has been driven on fear. I got fearful, man. But you know what? That's normal to be scared. That's a great emotion, because the more scared you are, the better you're gonna do. It's checking your fucking confidence and grabbing your balls and walking into a circle and saying, fuck it, I'm here. Overcome one of your biggest fears. You know, my mentality was always go into the mouth of the line and put a chair down and sit the fuck down and let the pieces fall where they may. And if you're not gonna live like that, fuck them all.
Forget to like, subscribe, and share. Share the crap out of it for me, please. I'll beg you. I'm still not above it. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Don't drink and drive.